New listing in Anna Crossing Villas. This spacious 2441 square foot house offers 4 bedrooms and 4 baths. The large, spacious gathering place is great for all your friends and family. A large quartz island and gas appliances in the kitchen. The primary suite is located downstairs with a 5-piece ensuite and a very large walk-in closet. Coming up to the loft, there are 3 further bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bath and a separate hall bath. The backyard is just right, offering a gas grill hookup and a covered rear patio. The community pool is lovely and just a walk away, as is the elementary school and the middle school. Come see this one today.